Even in parties where every other person is wearing gown, I will be wearing an anarkali or a sari. Okay. So because gown is not my style and I'm not confident. And your style is your identity. People do come with their own ideas also, because with this Pinterest and AI and everything, it actually makes my work a lot easier these days.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Because I don't have to go or do the brainstorming of the designs like I used to do 10 years back. For males, I do mostly designer stuff. Something that they will not get elsewhere.
Acha, how about making a blazer out of a sari?
Yes.
Doable?
100%.
With a sari, now let's take an example of a sari. With a sari, how many different styles of outfits can we design?
N number.
Okay.
Anything you want.
Fashion designers are expensive. Would you want to break that motion?
Fashion designers are never expensive. They are costly. High-end designers, they are expensive. But आप regularly boutiques में जाओगे या the normal designers, they are generally not expensive. They are costly.
In the world of hustle, one fashion brand grew slowly yet consistently with a strong loyal base of customers that prefers their own style statement with customized outfits. I'm talking about a brand, Resham, and I have founder with me, Ms. Rashmi Chajar, who is into styling and fashion designing since past 20 years. She is a style statement herself, and she is here on my invitation to talk about the customized apparel market of India. Hi Rashmi.
Hello.
Rashmi, we have known that India is quite so versatile with their fashions, and especially with females. I know that they have multiple options to choose from, be it Western, Indo-Western, typically ethnic wear, and you yourself has seen this industry evolving, and you have also given a lot of inputs into this. So I want to know from you that how do you see this customized Indian market for apparels in the past, let's say for 5 to 10 years?
So basically, Indians have always been into customization. If you see, पहले हम यदि देखते थे तो 80% of our clothes used to be customized.
Right.
Our tailors, हमारे दर्जी से हम कपड़े सिलवाते थे, चाहे वो रेगुलर वेयर के हो, रोज में पहनने के, या फेस्टिव वेयर हो, और शादियों में भी. Most of our clothes were done they were customized, but by our tailors. As the ready-made segment came in, people started getting clothes easily and at cost effective. They were very easy on pockets. So now if you see, 80% of the market has shifted to ready-mades.
Okay.
Especially for the daily wear and not so fancy festive wear or not so elaborate festive wears. Now people come for customization only for the heavier clothes. And there are a few who will get everything customized still, but because it comes with a little more expense, people have shifted more to the occasion wear or the heavy stuff, or where they want some meaningful, some meaning in their clothes, some style statement, or where they want to stand out.
So do you mean to say that customization has now become a luxury?
Yes, exactly. So
Okay.
customization is a luxury today. People are very much aware of what is going on, what the big designers are doing, what the Bollywood actresses are. They would like to replicate them.
Okay.
Now replicating is not that easy. You can't go to your tailors to get things replicated.
Absolutely.
It's a process. You go to buy the fabric. The tailor is not going to provide you with the fabric.
Yes.
So you have to go into all the process of buying the fabric, explaining to the tailor, and he will not understand the way a designer does. So when you want to get something customized like that for yourself, something different, something that suits you, then you have to get them customized. That's where the designer steps in.
Okay.
To understand your style, to understand what you require, to make you understand whether what you want is actually going to suit you or not, whether it is your style or not, and how confidently will you be able to carry it.
Okay. So does that mean fashion to you?
Fashion, yes. For me, fashion is timeless. It's
Okay.
not something temporary. आज आया कल गया. For me, if you say fashion is the perfect blend of trend and style.
Okay, so what's then the difference between trend and the style?
So trend is for the mass. It keeps changing. It keeps coming. You know, so the trends change every few maybe months or years or even in weeks.
Okay, जैसे काउल नेकलाइन या फिर बेल स्लीव्स, वो सब ट्रेंड्स बोलेंगे उसको?
हाँ, एक तरह से बोल सकते हैं ट्रेंड्स बिकॉज दे कम फॉर सम टाइम एंड
They go.
they
They just
they
go.
are replaced. Yeah.
Okay.
Style is something very personal. It is personal to every person. So and your style never changes. आपकी जो स्टाइल है, मेरी जो स्टाइल है, that is permanent. You cannot change someone's style. So that is the vast difference between trend and style. So now when people want to go according to a trend or wear something according to a trend, we have to be very careful how we are adopting it to match their style.
Right, okay.
So like if I just talk about myself, I'm not a person who can carry gowns or too much of Indo-Western.
Okay.
So even though gowns have been trending, you won't believe बचपन से लेके आज तक मैंने एक भी गाउन नहीं पहना है.
Okay.
Even in parties where every other person is wearing gown, I will be wearing an anarkali or a sari.
Okay.
So because gown is not my style and I'm not confident in it. So that's how you know you have to understand your style and then match the trend to it. You can pick parts of the trend to suit your style, but you can never go completely with the trend.
So then where is Resham right now positioned? Do you offer the trends as well and the styles as well? Do you offer ready-made garments as well and the customizations as well? What is it?
We are a one-stop solution for all your clothing needs. Since 20 years, I'm customizing clothes.
Okay.
So, like as I told you, customization involves understanding the client. You're not just offering a ready design. It all starts with getting a whole picture of what the client is, what are her requirements, for what occasion she is looking for, what is her budget, what she wants, is it going to suit her. So after understanding everything and the requirement of the client, we get to work on the actual design, the fabrics, the colors, the embroideries, and yes, and that is how we deliver the final product.
So रश्मि,
So-
एक क्वेश्चन है मुझे, बहुत इंडियन लैंग्वेज से आपको पूछती हूँ, कितना डिफरेंस पड़ता है एक स्टैंडर्डाइज आउटफिट, समझो 3-piece सूट लेने गए, लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल दैट वी गो टू बीबा एंड वी बाय अ 3-piece सूट अनारकली ड्रेस,
Okay.
एंड आई कम टू रश्मि and I get it stitched, what percentage of difference would it cost? I mean, do you believe that customization in this case would be higher than I get it from Biba?
Yes, a little higher. So if you talk about Biba, it would be a little higher. Not much of a difference, but yes, maybe 25% up.
But then उसमें ये तो फर्क है ना कि ये आप जो सिलोगे मेरे लिए, whatever you stitch for me would be most unique to me.
Yes, 100%.
है ना?
So buying from any brand or any store, you are just another person walking with that same dress. In fact, आप एक पार्टी में जाते हो and if some design is trending a lot, या अभी just थोड़े दिन पहले कोई सेल गया है, डिस्काउंट गया है, you might find 2 other
Same
people
piece.
wearing the same piece in the same color also maybe.
Okay.
It's not unique to you.
Okay.
So that's where people prefer customization.
But then you have been actually talking only about she, her, this, that. What about males?
Yes.
गुनाह किया क्या उन्होंने?
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं.
Okay.
And I cater to them also. So I cater to the males, I cater to the kids. For males, I do mostly designer stuff. Something that they will not get elsewhere. And जो आपको दूसरे tailors भी customize नहीं करके दे सकेंगे. For example, maybe some kind of work. I use applique work, patchwork. I use cording, thread work. I customize, like pocket में some embroidery or maybe their sun signs.
Okay.
With detailed embroidery. So when a male wants something so unique, that's when they come to me.
All right.
Yes.
Okay. So Now I'm very much interested to know that whenever you get a client, what type of customizations do they come for? I mean, ज़्यादातर जैसे कि साड़ी में से कुछ बनाना है, या they come with a particular design from Pinterest that we would like to get this done. Basically क्या होता है?
So it's a mix of everything. So my clients now, since 20 years I'm working. I have more than, you can say, 800 plus clients who are permanent and loyal. So out of them, a lot of clients are such who will get everything done from Resham. Whether it's their nightwear, in which they are sleeping, or it's their wedding lehenga, सब कुछ customize होगा तो रेशम से होगा. A lot of people come only for the heavier garments because they would not like to spend so much on customization on their regular. And apart from that, yes, people do come with their own ideas also, because with this Pinterest and AI and everything, people are, so it actually makes my work a lot easier these days.
Oh, is it?
Yes,
Okay.
because I don't have to go or do the brainstorming of the designs like I used to do 10 years back. 10 years back, most of the clients would leave everything solely on me. We had to sit and discuss everything from beginning to the end.
From the
be
scratch.
it the color, be it the fabric, be it the embroidery. I had to do samples. I had to show them the samples. अब तो बहुत easy हो गया है.
So ये notion क्या हम break कर सकते हैं कि generally होता है कि fashion designers are expensive. Would you want to break that notion?
Fashion designers are never expensive. They are costly.
Okay, now help me understand this.
I'll tell you about costly. Costly is जब आप उतना cost आपका जा रहा है किसी चीज़ को बनाने में, जब वो ज़्यादा है तो आपकी cost अपने आप बढ़ जाती है, and then the thing becomes costly. Expensive is it might not be incurring that much cost, the product, but still the prices. Then it is expensive. So the high-end designers, they are expensive. But आप regularly boutiques में जाओगे या the normal designers, they are generally not expensive. They are costly, and they are costly because they are incurring that cost.
Right.
The time a designer gives to you, to the client, all the work that goes from sourcing the fabric, sitting for hours with the कारीगर्स, you know, एक चीज़ बनती है, एक डिज़ाइन बनता है ड्रेस पे, तो उसके लिए 10 नमूने बनते हैं. We keep making the changes. And for you know, some complicated garments like corsets हो गए या drape skirts हो गए, we have to, you know, try the draping twice, thrice. So उतना time जाता है, उतनी energy जाती है, and then you have the whole setup. So cost incur होता है. And that's what the client pays for. And at the end of the day, that's what the client wants, कि उनका garment एकदम unique हो, उनको वो चीज़ और कहीं पे नहीं मिलेगी.
Exactly. I have been actually listening by a lot of people that a particular class of customers are choosing their alternative sources rather than fast fashion, because standardized कपड़ों में जैसे जहाँ पे भी है, जैसे आपने बोला, there would be multiple number of same pieces and they are not able to stand out with their own identity.
Right.
Besides that, particularly with Resham also I feel कि एक designer आपको blend करके दे सकता है आपका कपड़ा, आपकी choice and plus the trending stuff with our culture. Have I understood it rightly?
Yes.
Okay. So with a sari, now let's take an example of a sari. With a sari, how many different styles of outfits can we design?
N number.
Okay.
Anything you want. Any kind of design can be done out of a sari. It just depends on what kind the sari is. Now, so again, I do a lot of refurbishing.
Okay.
A lot of refurbishing. पुरानी साड़ियों में से जो पुराना work है, the real zari work and all, that we transfer it completely onto a new fabric. We can transfer some of it into new designs. We can add new work with old work.
Okay.
So ये बात हुई about the embroideries, the transferring work. Even making new garments out of a sari, so उस पर बहुत depend करता है कि आपकी साड़ी किस टाइप की है.
Okay.
Now the fabric could be thick, it could be a kanjivaram or a silk which is really thick and not flowy at all. वैसी टाइप की साड़ी में से we can make lehengas, or we can make straight kurtas, or something like that. We can make skirts. इफ यू थिंक कि उसमें से आप अनारकली बना लो या कोई फ्लोई ड्रेस बना लो, दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल.
Right.
Again, if your sari is flowy, it's of crepe or georgette or chiffon, then there are n number of things you can do. आप उसमें से लहंगा बना सकते हो, आप उसमें से अनारकली कर सकते हो, आप धोती कर सकते हो, शरारा कर सकते हो. You can do a quad set out of it. Anything you want can be done out of it.
All right. So, ladies, if you have your mom's sari, your own sari, just get that to your designer or to Resham, and they're sure to make something beautiful out of it, और जो आप बारी बारी यूज कर सकते हो. अच्छा, how about making a blazer out of a sari?
Yes,
Doable?
100%.
Okay.
And especially the old silk saris which had elaborate pallus with a lot of.
I mean, so I think Gen Zs are preferring more like this कि कुछ भी different style से कर दो. साड़ीज पहननी है पर उसके साथ with a twist
Yes.
of something like this or a blazer. I have seen a lot of pictures
Yes.
where there's a blazer, there's a sari and an overbelt.
Yes. So saris have been, आजकल saris बहुत अलग अलग तरीकों से स्टाइल हो रही है. Saris become very popular even with the new generation.
Okay.
हमारे टाइम में तो थी, we are still wearing, but the new generation is experimenting with a lot of styles with saris. They are wearing it with pants, they are wearing it with draped skirts, they are wearing it like you said with belts, blazers. धोती स्टाइल में पहन रहे हैं. शिल्पा शेट्टी has so her style is very.
Now I would like to move to a rapid fire round. Now this rapid fire round means that I'm going to ask you certain questions for which you have to rapidly answer me whatever comes to your mind. Can we begin that?
Yes.
All right. Okay. So the first question is 2 trending corporate looks for females.
Vests are very much in with structured trousers or even skirts.
Okay.
And if you want to go traditional, even kurti sets, cotton and linen kurti sets are trending.
All right. Okay. Trending party looks for female.
Embellished dresses,
Okay.
inspired by Dior,
Okay.
and a lot of drape skirts, corset blouses, corset tops,
Okay.
and again drape saris.
Drip sarees.
Yes.
Okay, so kind of a Western look.
Indo-Western,
Indo-Western
Western
look.
look, yeah.
All right. Trending colors and work preferred by brides and grooms. Since these days they actually want to twin.
Yeah. So in the colors there are, it's a blend. For if you go for the bold colors, it's they are inspired by jewel stones like sapphire blue and ruby red, emerald green. These are the ones. In pastels, the pastel pinks, peaches, greens. And in earthy tones, it's like beige, terracotta. But all of these, साथ में 2 colors हैं जो बहुत prominent हैं अभी. They are gold and red.
Okay, all
Which
right.
are used a lot in the fabric also, in the embroideries also, and to give that little hint of the boldness.
All right.
And you talked about embroideries, so it's a mix of all embroideries right now. Jardosi work, thread work, sequins, and even a blend of patchwork, maybe with brocade or with tissue fabrics.
Okay, all right. My next question is which materials are low in maintenance, great on pockets, and awesome in styling?
Okay, so I'll club all of them into one, and any not synthetic, but any semi-material which is not pure cotton but a blend,
Okay.
like modal or the semi-georgette chiffons. All of these are easy on your pocket. They are very easy to style and good
Low on
to style
maintenance as well.
and of course they are low maintenance.
Lovely. Okay, all right. Now the last question is tell me you're a fashion designer without telling me that you're a fashion designer.
Okay, so I play with fabrics and cuts to make you look more beautiful and confident.
All right, lovely, lovely. All right, audience, so we had a very trending and the current topic, hot topic, क्या पहने, कब पहने, कहाँ जाए. वार्डरोब में कभी भी आप ओपन करो आपको यही लगेगा उफ मेरे पास आज इस इवेंट में पहनने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है. Then you have Rashmi Chhajar with you. Resham is here to solve all your worries. with the classiness and the luxury touch. Rashmi, thank you so much for accepting our invite and being here. Audience, if you have liked our content, do like, share and subscribe our channel, and we would love to see your comments on this topic until the time we come back. Thank you so much.